الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر.
Yo, what is going on today, guys? Today I'm just gonna do a quick little video where I'm not gonna be doing much. I'm just basically gonna be showing you something kind of interesting on the ukulele, just kind of interesting, real quick, and because not much is going on, you know, it's good to know, you know. I'm a poet and I didn't even know it, but my feet show it. They're Longfellows. So on the ukulele, it's called the Middle Eastern scale. Sounds really cool. Who knows? Maybe it'll be useful to you. Maybe it won't be. But it goes. So you can solo around with that whenever you need it, you know. Start out with a C string. Just open first string. Then go down to the E, E, F. So it goes. And the G string up here. Then you go. Then the last string you go, not open. So, I mean, you could do open on this string, but whatever. Or you could do the G string on top. Here, I'm going to do some hammer-ons here. The C's, C sharp or D flat. I hope that was useful to you guys. You know, so I encourage you to explore with that one. You can make up little riffs with that. You know, mess around with other scales. This is one of many different so-called ethnic scales, and for all different things, just different sounds. This one sounds really cool. I like it. Peace out. Hello! If you made it this far in the video, you're probably expecting that right about this time that I should be telling you to subscribe and hit that notification icon, because subscriptions don't mean a whole lot on YouTube. But you know, if you've been watching my videos this long enough and you still haven't subscribed, no pitch that I make will make you do so. So I'm going to leave you with this. There's a cat in my basement. And if you don't subscribe, I will kill the cat. That's right, the cat in my basement will die if you do not subscribe.